Here at Armstrong Kitchens, we know the kitchen is at the heart of every home. A consultation with our friendly Hull-based team and you're already a step closer to your dream kitchen space. Whether you're looking for functionality, innovative design, a classic look with a modern twist, or something minimalistic, our 25 years of industry knowledge means we can help with everything from the layout and focal points to countertops. We'll work with you to develop a design that suits your needs and your personal taste, using the latest technology and our meticulous eye for detail to bring your ideas to life. From drawers and doors to worktops and water taps, we use the latest technology to bring you high-quality products with a high-quality finish. We don't believe in mass-produced generic kitchen designs. At Armstrong Kitchens, we take pride in creating bespoke, spectacular kitchens that are as unique as you are. And our talents don't stop there. We also create bespoke fitted furniture for bedrooms, offices, and more. Get in touch with Armstrong Kitchens today and we'll help you achieve the kitchen you've always dreamed of.